In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the connection process inside Gohighlevel so you can quickly find the integration and start setting it up the right way. This is a simple process, but it helps to move carefully so you select the correct app and follow the prompts in order. Start by logging into Gohighlevel and opening your main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account, and it gives you access to tools, settings, and available integrations. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This is the section where Gohighlevel lets you browse and install third-party apps and built-in integrations. If you've never used it before, think of it as the central place for connecting outside services to your account. After the App Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in Twilio. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the exact integration you need, especially if there are a lot of apps listed in the marketplace. Once Twilio appears in the search results, click on it to open the integration page. Make sure you select the correct Twilio listing before moving on. This page usually gives you a short overview of the app and what the connection is used for, which can be helpful if you want to confirm you're installing the right service. Next, click on Install. This begins the setup process and tells Gohighlevel that you want to add Twilio to your account. At this stage, it's a good idea to read any on-screen details carefully, since integration pages may sometimes include important notes about permissions, availability, or account requirements. After that, click Continue. This moves you forward in the installation flow and takes you to the next part of the connection process. From here, Gohighlevel will typically guide you through the remaining prompts needed to complete the setup. As a quick tip, before starting this process, make sure you already have access to your Twilio account so the connection goes smoothly when Gohighlevel asks for authorization. That will save you time and help avoid interruptions during setup. And that's it for this part of the process. You've now navigated to the Twilio integration inside Gohighlevel, started the installation, and moved into the connection flow. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finish linking the account, and you should be ready to use Twilio inside Gohighlevel.